How to restart laptop using keyboard. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can restart your laptop using just your keyboard. No mouse required at all. So make sure to stick with me till the end so you don't miss any important details. Alright, so here's how it works. When you're on your desktop or not actively working inside a program, go ahead and press Alt and F4 together on your keyboard. Now, this shortcut is kind of like a universal command in Windows. If you use it inside an application, it'll close that app. But when you're on the desktop, it brings up the Shut Down Windows dialog box. This is where all your power options like Shut Down, Restart, Sleep, and Sign Out Live. Usually when that little window pops up, it defaults to Shut Down being selected. That's fine, but we're not shutting down today. We're going for a restart. To change that option, all you need to do is tap the down arrow key on your keyboard. When you press it once, it should highlight Restart. If for some reason it doesn't, just keep pressing the arrow key until Restart is highlighted. The menu cycles through options, so it'll come around. Once Restart is selected, all you have to do is hit the Enter key. That's it. Your laptop will immediately begin the restart process. No clicking, no mouse, no menus to hunt through. It's all handled with just a few quick keystrokes. Now, sometimes people run into an issue where pressing Alt plus F4 doesn't bring up the shutdown options. If that happens to you, it's probably because you still have an application open or selected. Remember, Alt plus F4 normally closes whatever program is active. So if you're in a web browser, for example, pressing those keys will just close the browser. What you want to do is minimize or close any open windows until you're looking at your desktop, then try the shortcut again. If you've got any questions about the process or something didn't work exactly as expected, feel free to drop a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have an awesome day.